Hi everyone, Adrian here at Fuel Powersports in the service department. I'm going to show you a few pictures here why it's very important to maintain your machine, such as your air filter, oil changes and stuff. This customer here forgot to check his air filter. Long story short, it took out his crankshaft connecting rods, the cylinder, pistons, camshafts, heads. It's going to be a complete engine rebuild, and estimated cost on this is around $6,000 to $8,000. So we got some pictures we will post for you. Quick reminder to check your air filters, oil changes. We have service packages here if you want us to do it, or our service writers can also help you up front, explain a little bit on what to do.